Hi, and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Now, this is a detail video to show you the multi-lift PIR system shown. This is in a GMC Acadia. It would be very similar for a Chevy Traverse and a Buick Enclave. So this is a detail video, so make sure you check out the other videos in the notes field down below to learn a little bit more. So as you know, the multi-lift is a removable system here. And of course, the same multi-lift that you use here, it's going to be used in the front of the vehicle. And this is the PIR mount. It's a very robust mounting system that we use. It's tied in different places, so we want to kind of take you on a little tour. So these are the tie-down belts, okay, for the tying down the wheelchair and the multi-lift. This is your pin here that you use to lock in to make sure that the lift does not come dislodged. And this right here goes down actually to the seat belt, right rear seat belt mounting bolt. And that's good and strong right there. So you can really put a lot of pressure on that, and it does not move around. The great thing again about the PIR mounting system is that you have complete access, total normal 100% access to the storage compartment. All of that, if you had stow and go seating, it would allow that as well. So, and the great thing is that this is all tied into the rear body panel on the vehicle, and we supply this part right here. So this is a GM part, but we do supply it specially modified, as you see, with these slots for the system. And then when you reinstall, then let's say you were to take this out, you're not going to have any modification or drilling into the vehicle. You'll simply take this unit off. This uses all existing mounting holes, and then we are going to take this panel, which you originally had on your vehicle, put it back in, and you're ready to go. So that's the PIR mounting system for the multi-lift. Thank you so much for checking out our video, and we hope you like what you see. Do not forget, please check out the other videos in the notes field down below. This is the GMC Acadia rear PIR lift, or the multi-lift, very similar to the Buick Enclave and the Chevy Traverse. Contact us at www.accessunlimited.com. We're on YouTube at youtube.com/accessun. You can follow us on Twitter at accessun. And of course, give us a call the old-fashioned way at 1-607-669-4822, 8 to 5 Monday through Friday, Eastern Standard Time in the U.S. And also evenings and weekends are no problem at 1-615-873-0518, and the daytime number is 1-607-669-4822. Have a great day, and thanks for taking the time to learn about our product.